My name is Jessalyn and I'm from Philippines, originally from Philippines, and I moved here in Pampa like 14 years ago. How would I define success? Well, determination, of course, and hard works, persistence, late nights, and then a lot of trainings, day and night, then of course disciplines, so a lot of risk too. Right now I work for Vision Computer Services. I have worked here for a year and 10 months, almost 2 years, and I enjoyed working here because the work is never the same. There's always new people working with, and you work hands-on, which is I like working on computers, tearing it apart, replacing hard drives. What motivates me is my family, of course, and then making money and paying my bills. That's the most important right now. And then, of course, to travel. I mean, if you don't work, you cannot eat. In Panhandle, there's a lot of stuff to do in Panhandle, and being in Panhandle is your home and you're with family, and there's a lot of to do if you look for it. And there's parks, movies. You don't have to look at somewhere else. If you want nicer and more expensive and spend money, go out of town. But if you don't have that money, you could enjoy the stuff you can do in your hometown. So I like to work. Actually, I like to work and go see clients and fix computer on site. I like to remote into computers and fix computers, hands-on training and learning about computers, technologies, everything about technologies, I guess. And then, of course, I like working out, Zumba. I would say just work hard and you can go where you need to be, build a career without going broke.